We're organizing here a Rolling 80 event. That's really an event from people for people. And we do this together with Rotary Soesdijk. We organize here a day full of connection, sharing cultures, inclusive event for everyone.
It's important to support this initiative from the People4People Foundation because I believe that as a local service club it's important to connect to local initiatives, and it's really important for these miners to be supported.
So we have came today to break their routine, to have some activities with them, to put the smile on their faces.
When they asked me to do a workshop here, I could support like people who immigrate from their country. Because also when I came to this country, I was alone. So it feels for me as a bit like trying to give something in return for people who needs that.
Well, this event is so important because we connect now People4People Foundation with the Rotary, and this is the first time we do this, and I hope that we can scale this.
So we cannot do this alone. If you want to join as an individual, as a business, or in any way possible, please go to our website and join us.